I have a lot of notebooks. Some are like this, some like that. But I have the feeling that there's something missing in them, especially in this age of digitization and information. So what kind of notebook am I really looking for? Why don't you take a look at Smart Notebook? It has some amazing functions like synchronized content, cloud backup, schedule management, sharing, search, and AR. Smart Notebook. New experience, more excellent. Scan. Very easy. The Smart Notebook is easy to use. It has a supporting app, and with that, you can take a picture of the particular page, or you can mark or even highlight it. What's more, you can add audio and video to it as well. Thanks to all this, your regular book can extend its functionality considerably. The schedule can be synchronized with your electronic calendar account quickly. Make it easy for you to control your time. The Smart Notebook can do a lot more. You may have a huge pile of heavy notebooks, but it's a torture to look for something in particular in this pile of notebooks. Oh my God! The guy with a Smart Notebook can find whatever he's looking for by entering the keyword. You can take all the necessary information with a Smart Notebook app. This makes all the travel plans easy and saves you from a lot of work as well. One never knows when inspiration will strike, and this is why you keep a notebook to jot it down quickly. But with the Smart Notebook app, you can share your inspiration with your friends quickly. Now, thanks to Smart Notebook, all your different devices like physical notebooks, cell phone, tablet computer, and the cloud can work in almost magical synchronization. Smart Notebook has a unique AR function which allows a physical notebook to connect to multimedia information seamlessly and then displays it smartly. Wow! Smart Notebook, my ideal choice.